Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Please always refer to your use and care guide and installation manual before beginning any repair, as they are the primary sources of information regarding your appliance. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Before you replace the drain pump in your dishwasher, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance. Using a flathead screwdriver, rotate the lower access panel fasteners counterclockwise a quarter turn to detach. Remove the access panel and the attached insulation. Reach under the dishwasher, depress the drain pump retaining tab, and rotate the pump counterclockwise to remove. Be prepared for some water to spill out. Unhook the wire connector from the retainer and disconnect the wire from the pump. Install the new drain pump by first connecting the wire connector. Secure the wire in the retainer. Now insert the pump into the sump housing and rotate clockwise to lock it into place. Reposition the access panel, making sure the attached insulation does not interfere with the float assembly and the lower edge of the panel touches the floor. Secure the panel by rotating the fasteners clockwise a quarter turn. With the repair completed, turn the power back on, and your dishwasher should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.